Alright, now let's take the second derivative. So this is going to be h double prime of x is equal to, so I'm going to take the derivative of the first one here, so bring the 3 out front. We have x plus 1 and subtracting 1 from the exponent, and you get a 2 there. Okay, that's supposed to be a 2. And of course you take the derivative of the inside of the parentheses and bring it out, but the derivative of x plus 1 is just 1, so we don't need to write anything. Now in this one here, we're going to have to use the product rule again. So I'm going to take the derivative of 3x, and derivative of 3x is just 3. And then of course rewriting the x plus 1, right, squared. Now I'm going to take the derivative of the x plus 1 quantity squared. So that means I'm going to take this 2, bring it out front, and 2 times 3 is 6. And of course I rewrite the x, rewriting everything in parentheses, and subtracting 1 from the exponent, so we're not going to just write a 1 there. We won't write anything at all, right? Okay, let's look at this. Well, we can condense this down before we take the derivative again, so let's just go ahead and do that. All right. Okay, so we have, so these are both like. So we're going to have 6 x plus 1, right, quantity squared. Okay, these are both like terms, so we just add their coefficients, and then plus, and you know what, I'm going to distribute this 6x across. So we have 6x squared plus 6x. Let's do that. Now we're looking to find the third derivative. And instead of putting 3 primes, I'm just going to put a 3 here. Alright, and I don't know, put a parentheses around it. Okay, so take the 2, bring it out front. 6 times 2 is 12. Rewrite x plus 1, subtracting 1 from the exponent, and of course take the derivative of the inside, bring it out, it's just 1, right? Plus, and so the derivative of 6x squared is going to be 12x, and the derivative of 6x is just going to be 6. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just simplify this down a little bit more. So, right, the third derivative of h is, distribute this 12 across, we have 12x plus 12 plus 12x plus 6, and that's going to all simplify down to 24x plus 18. So that's our third derivative, finally, of h, 24x plus 8. Man, it's crazy. Alright, let's see if I can work in another problem here. I don't know. Okay, what do we got? We've got y is equal to x over x plus 1. Now I'm going to do some different notation. Well, dy over dx, you should have seen that by now. Some of my other problems I use different notation, is the first derivative. But if I said we need to find d2y over, I guess you'd say dx squared there. This is the notation for the second derivative, just using different notation here. But this says, okay, we want to find d2y over dx squared. Then this right here is going to be the second derivative, right? We want to find the second derivative.